Well, news just coming in, the police, it seems, have arrested the main accused in the Bulibhai hate case. 4 arrests are now taking place in that case. Akshay joining us with the latest. Akshay, what are we hearing?
Well, Ankita, in this Bulibhai case, the 4th accused and reportedly the mastermind of this entire making of application has been arrested by the Delhi police. So the person who has been arrested in this particular case is reportedly a resident of Jorhat in Assam, and he has been arrested by the Delhi police by, in fact, the Intelligence Fusion and Strategic Operation Unit of this is a special unit of the Delhi police, and they have arrested. It seems that he was the mastermind in this case, and in fact he was the person who had made this application, which has in fact created uproar across the country, where pictures of a lot of journalists, female journalists, were uploaded, and in fact slandering was done on this application. So earlier there were 3 accused who were arrested in this particular case, but now the police is saying that this person who has now been arrested has in fact, he was the mastermind, and he will be brought to the national capital, and the police will bring him via air, and he will be reaching the airport. The police will be reaching the airport along with the accused at around 3:30 p.m. today. So the police is the police has been trying to in fact catch the mastermind of this particular case, because this entire incident of this application, in fact putting pictures of female journalists, has created uproar across the country. So finally some success for the Delhi police special unit in nabbing the main accused. However, investigation is still on to find out whether there were more people who were associated in creation of this website, and who exactly was funding these people, which in fact has been a bone of contention between a lot of political parties and the central government as well, because everyone has been accusing the police of negligence and not taking action in time of catching these accused.
All right, Akshay joining us with the latest details on that. Neeraj Bishnoi then arrested from Assam by the Delhi Police's special cell. Now, Bishnoi is a second-year engineering student at a Bhopal-based institute. He was arrested from his hometown in Assam's Jorhat. He's being brought to Delhi this afternoon. This is the 4th arrest in the case that has sparked a massive uproar after prominent Muslim women journalists, lawyers and activists known to be vocal on both social and political issues were targeted in a disgusting so-called auction. Doctored photographs were put up on social media networks. So a quick crackdown, 4 people now accused, and the man believed to be the main accused behind that disgusting social media incident now also arrested.